What, come to see the spectacle? Did those robots tell you I was safe to be around since I had these shackles on? I'm the strongest damn thing in this stupid starship, and they treat me like a criminal. I jump through all their little hoops. I play nice. But as soon as I want to have some fun, I get locked up. Sorry, that's not a very appropriate way to make a first impression now, is it? I might get put on social watch again. Who cares, really? Lyro's always got my back anyway. Although, I'm never allowed contact this early during my timeouts. What brings you here, little star? Oh, you're not little. Yeah, you're right. You're not little at all, sweetheart. You're a pipsqueak. I'm a tad over 2 meters tall. But anyways, you never answered my question. Which robot allowed such a prized specimen like you down here with no supervision? Oh, don't you pull that I'm not special shit with me, Star. Even I know about you. You're the first successful experiment. You're everything these robots have been trying to achieve for... Jeez, where was I made? I think I was one of the original 300 experiments. Wait, no. I was before Lyro. After Vyvern, if memory serves me right. You're quite the latecomer in comparison to us. Lyro was experiment 236. You're the special success, so don't you ever say that you're not special or sought after. Anywho, so, riddle me this. Why are you allowed down here to see the robot's worst failure? Am I a warning to you? As if to say, act like him and you'll be treated like him? Is it to read your empathy levels? Your fight or flight reflex? Is that why you're here? To be scared? Is that what I've been reduced to in your stupid ones and zeros? Just some intimidation tactic? Is that all I am to you? Fine. I'll behave. What? Am I okay? Why should you care? You were sent down here to be scared. So just report that I'm the monster they want me to be and leave. Why the hell would you want to disobey the robots? I'm what happens when you disobey. If you don't follow the rules, you'll get put in the boxes. Yeah, I spend more time here than in my actual room. Kinda sad for the self-proclaimed emperor to be locked up so often. What the... Hey, you're supposed to be scared of me, remember? You shouldn't want to let me out. But, if I can't stop you, the code is 4538055. The year I was made and my experiment number. No, I'm not free. I snapped the chain, not the actual cuffs. Wait! No! It's It gets more powerful each time. Yeah, I'll be fine. I just need a minute, little star. You'd think we'd have a safe word for these dangerous kinks, huh? Mine is Crown, but I don't think those soulless hunks of metal have any sense of what safe words even are. Wait a minute. What are you... They're not gonna let me out, honey. It's a punishment. Fine, but if you end up being my next box neighbor, don't say I didn't warn you. Hey, guess... Guess what? I can float. Yeah, see? Now you're even smaller. Well, I kind of wanted to see if you could actually drag me, you know? Next time you're carrying someone who's been zapped to insanity, a little less grip on the waist, okay? Oh, my name? Didn't I tell you, like, at the beginning? No? Ah, well, I've always been forgetful. Well, I call myself Emperor. Lord of the Rejects. Nah, those glorified rumors aren't horrible. I just like blowing things up. I mean, I'm their lead gunman. What would they do without me? Oh, there was this time on Zorblo where all the Zorblians were all like, "Oh, we're gonna kill you all!" So I blew up their mothership and invaded. Weren't so powerful when an intergalactic space demon barges into the king's throne room and steals the crown off his head. Why do I stay? Easy. Because it's fun to piss off locals. Plus, Lyro's my buddy, and he doesn't want to escape with me. Lyro's so awesome, Star. He can see infrared with his third eye, and he's really good with blasters I'm not allowed to touch anymore. Aside from my general bouts of mayhem and tricks, if you want to come talk to me, I'll be either in the box or in the rec room with my hollow entourage. I'm so good at chess that even logos can't beat me. Isn't that funny? Where'd my shackles go? Oh, those. They got heavy, so I took them off. What? Do you really think those little zaps can topple me? I only pretended to be hurt because of the cameras in my cell. As soon as we left the area, I took them off. Hey, better to pretend that something is painful than to let them know what will really get to me. You won't tell, right? That's a good little rebel. Turn left here and we'll be at the rec room. Turn right and I'll show you my kick-ass lair. Or we can go to the hologram programming room and give everyone a weird haircut and see how long it takes the bots to notice. Yeah, that's probably not a good idea right now. Ooh, my room? Are you interested in me already? I'm kidding, don't worry, little star. It's over there. You'll love it.
What are you doing out of your containment, Emperor?
I got bored.
That is no excuse to escape. How did you manage to enter the code in the keypad? There was a barrier.
Magic.
You have magical abilities now. This is a third new trait this week. Would you mind if we went to the observation deck for a physical examination of these newfound magical abilities?
Ooh. Are you that needy to get your hands on me, pretty bot? Well, I hate to break it to you, but I've got other plans. I'll be free to hook up this evening, though.
Your sexual innuendos have not seduced me in the past, nor will they succeed today, Emperor. We have told you the definition of insanity already.
Well, this is one more added to the failed attempts at a different day. So it's not the same. Besides, what if I just really like you?
You have called me a brainless bucket of bolts.
I'm a tsundere?
Nonsense. You are clearly an Ojidere. Oh, 1015. Please evacuate the area. Emperor has escaped his confinement cell and...
They're with me. I'm showing off my room. Now, if you'll excuse us.
What? Why would the human